HealthyHouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support my show and get help growing your houseplants, check out my Patreon below. Today, I'm going to share with you how often to replace rooting hormone. So the rooting hormone, which has plant auxins in it, those auxins are growth hormones. I did use this rooting hormone to root a cutting for this now lovely little ficus tree. So the general rule of thumb, as recommended by the U.S. Forest Service, which does grow trees for the forest, is every 18 to 24 months. Now, it may last longer. Some people say it does last longer for them, but I have to be honest with you. When I surpassed 2 years with this, with the rooting hormone, the efficacy does go down. The results, my rooting results do start to become less and less. So, you know, you put a lot of work into doing the little cuttings and getting the rooting medium and everything together. You really just want it just to work, right? So I would suggest putting the date on the bottom. I did that with this, it was 6/22. So this one just recently surpassed the 2 years, and I haven't actually tried to root anything with it. I'm going to be replacing it in the next couple of days, because I do, just so I have some on hand, do plan on doing some cuttings. So keep that in mind, that if you want to have the best luck, I would strongly suggest 18 to 24 months. Now, another thing to keep in mind is to store this correctly so that it does have efficacy for as long as possible. So to prolong its life, keep it dry, out of direct sunlight, and in a dry location overall. And I show you this I have a video on how I rooted this and some other plants as well with the rooting hormone. You will see that you never want to stick the cutting in here, because that can put moisture in here and that can ruin all of the rooting hormone. So you want to pour the rooting hormone into something, use it in that, and then discard what you don't use rather than putting it in. Just a little bit of humidity can really mess up the rooting hormone as well. So there you go for how often to replace rooting hormone. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.